well bowled. Just the perfect length. They know what length to bowl to Yusuf. They're still trying to work Irfan out.
This cricket is a funny game. Could well be that Dilhara Fernando might well turn out to be a hero. Pick up all the 3 wickets in his last over.
It's gone for 32 for the time being. Change in bat. Also maybe a word of advice. I hope not.
मेरी डेंटिस्ट ने कहा एंकर ऑल राउंड प्रोटेक्शन मेरी फैमिली के लिए बेस्ट प्रोटेक्शन है।
अब तो कोर्ट ने भी फैसला दे दिया है, अब तो बदल का नया टीवी दे दो।
जवाब नहीं देता।
देखो आपने पहले भी मेरा कहा नहीं माना था और अब कोर्ट का फैसला नहीं मान रहे।
हाँ नहीं मानता, क्या फांसी लगवा दोगे?
फांसी तो नहीं, पर आपको कंज्यूमर कोर्ट का फैसला ना मानने पर 3 साल तक की जेल या 10,000 रुपए तक का जुर्माना हो सकता है।
क्या?
जी हाँ, अगर दुकानदार या कंपनी कंज्यूमर कोर्ट के फैसले को मानने से इनकार करे तो ऐसी स्थिति में उन्हें सजा या जुर्माना हो सकता है। जागो ग्राहक, जागो।
That's a slow one. Well done, Dilhara Fernando. It does require a little guts to bowl that slower one. Should he connect and it go out of the stadium? There's that split finger one, which is very difficult to decipher. Should it go out? A good delivery would then be criticized to kingdom come. But that's the name of the game. You've got to vary it. You've got to outthink the batsman. Mid-wicket is an area that I'm sure he'll target. Fine leg is up. That's the one he's targeted, and that is a flat hit for 6. The short ball. Why didn't he try the block hole?
This is a terrific shot. Short. And he's given all the time in the world for Irfan Pathan to pick his spot.
Well, I did say they worked out Yusuf Pathan's lengths, but they still haven't worked out Irfan as yet. That's gone on the offside. They're going to come back for the second. Malinga does the clean-up job, but suddenly India with their noses ahead now.
Well, 9 from 8 balls required, so that's a lot easier than it was at the start of the over before that 6 by Irfan Pathan.
What a partnership. When these two came together, they put on 48 from 21 balls. That's how difficult it was. There's nobody after them, really. Of course, Zahir can clout a few. So can Ishant. He's gone inside out this time. Irfan has got another boundary. What an over. Tremendous batting by the two brothers, particularly Irfan now.
And maybe the crowd knows a little bit more than the Sri Lankan captain does, because they were saying as soon as the ball was given to Dilhara Fernando, they were saying no, 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 and maybe they know why.
5 to get from 7. Dilhara really bowling the ideal length for Irfan to work him around. And really, aren't they pumped up? It must be a terrific adrenaline rush for the two at the moment. 13 from the over, dot ball to end it, 167.
लगता है क्वीन जा रही है।
ये आ नहीं रही है, आ रही है। कुत्ते को पटाओ, लड़की अपने आप पट जाएगी। स्प्राइट की स्प्राइट। I just love dogs. What's your name, baby?
Killer.
Killer? Macha, just like me. Sorry. Killer boy, wake up. Killer. Killer.
Hi. Wanna play Karen?
लेकिन किलर
ये है ना? He just loves dogs.
Welcome.
Sprite भी Sprite.
Sprite, सीधी बात, नो बकवास, क्लियर है?
बाबा, घबराना मत, इस भीड़ में मैं खोऊंगा नहीं।
जिंदगी भर के वादों के लिए अब लाइफ टाइम प्रीपेड सिर्फ 99 रुपए में।
सेफ्टी है तो सब हीरो।
बजाज Allianz के सेफ प्लान्स, SMS SAFE to 56070.
Maybe just to tell him, work the singles and you can still win. One dot ball is still allowed. Take 5 singles and you're still winning.
Well, India will have to lose it from here. Sri Lanka have played out all their cards, so it's up to the Indians.
Well, I think they played the wrong card. There's no question that they should have had Sanath Jayasuriya. 3 overs, 1 wicket for 10 runs. He had 1 over left. And being a slow bowler, being the experienced bowler that he is, and also getting turn. We saw the turn he was getting. It would not have been easy for both the Pathan brothers to hike him. It was easy for them to use Dilhara Fernando's extra pace and take the runs off him. But 13 runs in that over from Dilhara Fernando has turned the match upside down as far as India is concerned.
And I think it was Yusuf Pathan's daredevil batting, that 17 runs from that Bandara over that changed it. That put paid to all ambitions of the spinners. That's probably what stopped Dilshan from using the 4th over of Sanath Jayasuriya. Well, they've got that single. That's all they need. They're on course, India. They've got to get in a few fielders, Sunny. They've got to prevent. They've got to rely on Malinga bowling that length and getting the fielders in to stop the singles.
Well, what a good Yorker this was. He does really bowl that Yorker well. And you're right. I think they've got to get those fielders in. I've been saying that in the 30-yard circle they have to come in. Those fielders in the deep for the miscued shot, yes, they need to be there because they'll get a wicket with that. But in the circle, they need to look at stopping the singles.
They've got to force these batsmen to try and find a boundary. How does Irfan react to this? Oh, brilliant! Magnificent, in fact, that's all the way. What a way to win this game. India prevail. Not for nothing have they underscored their world champion status. This is a miraculous win. The crowd is stunned, but I'm sure they've got their money's worth. And look at the Pathan brothers. They'll remember this for all time to come.
Yes, what a moment. What a moment for the brothers. And what a moment for India. This is a magnificent shot, right in the slot. And as soon as he hit it, he knew it had gone. So making up for that missed opportunity, Irfan Pathan, he might have dropped that catch, but he's made up 100 times with that innings. And look at that Indian dressing room, absolutely over the moon.
Well, this is the shot in the arm any team would...